Salesforce PD1 certification dumps. 1. What are 2 ways a developer can get the status of an enqueued job for a class that implements the queueable interface? Choose 2 answers. A. View the Apex Flex queue. B. View the Apex.Jobs page. C. View the Apex status page. D. Query the AsynoApex.Job object. Answer. B. View the Apex.Jobs page. D. Query the AsynoApex.Job object. 2. A custom picklist field, food preference, exists on a custom object. The picklist contains the following options: vegan, her preference. The developer must ensure a value is populated every time a record is created or updated. What is the optimal way to ensure a value is selected every time a record is saved? A. Mark the field as required on the field definition. B. Use the first value in the list as the default value to true. C. Mark the field as required on the object's page layout. D. Write an Apex trigger to ensure a value is selected. Answer. A. Mark the field as required on the field definition. 3. Refer to the following code snippet for an environment that has more than 200 accounts belonging to the technology industry. 4. Account. This account, selected, industry from account limit 1501. If, this account. Industry technology. This account. Is tech C equals true. Update this account. When the code executes, what happens as a result of the Apex transaction? A. If executed in an asynchronous context, the Apex transaction is likely to fail by exceeding the DML governor limit. B. If executed in a synchronous context, the Apex transaction is likely to fail by exceeding the DML governor limit. C. The Apex transaction succeeds regardless of any uncaught exception and all processed accounts are updated. D. The Apex transaction fails with the following message: subject row was retrieved via SQL without querying the requested field, accounts tech. Answers. D. The Apex transaction fails with the following message: subject row was retrieved via SQL without querying the requested field, accounts tech. 4. A developer needs to have records with specific field values in order to test a new Apex class. What should the developer do to ensure the data is available to the test? A. Use anonymous Apex to create the required data. B. Use test.load data and reference a CSV file in a static resource. C. Use test.load data and reference a JSON file in documents. D. Use SQL to query the org for the required data. Answer. B. Use test.load data and reference a CSV file in a static resource. 5. An org has an existing flow that creates an opportunity with an update records element. A developer must update the flow to also create a contact and store the created contact's ID on the opportunity. Which update must the developer make in the flow? A. Add a new update records element. B. Add a new get records element. C. Add a new create records element. D. Add a new rollback records element. Answer. C. Add a new create records element. For more information visit this site www.salesforcestart.com.